Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Automart A2B. I'm the internet specialist here. Today I'll be showing you this lovely Peugeot 2008. It's the Allure spec. Comes with 1.2 engine with automatic gearbox. It's petrol as well. Euro 6. Really nice car. Came off a nice customer and finished in black. Metallic black as well. So today's video I'll be showing you around the car, any wear and tear, and walk around of the car as well, which we have in stock. So Lancaster Automart A2B works under our parent company, which is Lancaster Honda. So about this car, we got front projector headlamps, which are automatic as well. You have front fog lights, nice chunky grille with silver trims on them. Car's got roof railings on top as well, if you'd like to campaign or do bike on top. Got 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which is nice. Previous owner has maintained it really nice as well. So you can see the body works really nice on the left hand side. Really lovely. Show you the interior as well. So you get part leather and fabric interior. It's nice. All 4 electric windows. Front ones are automatic. Second alloy there. The rear you got parking sensors, which is nice, and a powered tailgate as well with LED tail lights there. Show you. Here you go. Comes nice and handy. It goes lovely boot size as well. You do have a spare wheel under there, which is nice, and along with the tools, and the partial shelf you can fold it down as well. Comes in your way. You got 60/40 split setting seat for the rear, which is foldable as well. There we go. Everything works nice and perfect as you should. Third alloy there. With regards to wear and tear, just got some chemical reaction on there. Nothing to worry about. Our body shop team will sort it out. So you're in good hands. That's the 4th alloy. So yeah, I'll jump in and I'll show you the miles done by this car. Got your windows up here and your wing mirror function as well. They do fold down as well. There we go. Down here we can open your boot from here, along with your headlight adjustability, eco mode, parking sensors, child lock as well, along with your motion sensor detector. So the car's done 29,842 miles, which is nothing. You do have the service light on, which is going to be due service soon with us, which are 100 trained technicians. So you got automatic headlights there, along with your cruise control with your speed limiter mode, along with your automatic rain sensing wipers, which is nice. Got this lovely TFT screen up here. It does have sat nav, FM, AM, DAB, and Bluetooth as well. It does have Apple CarPlay and Mirror Link, which connects it to your phone. I'll show you in a second. You do have dual zone climate control, USB port down there, along with auxiliary and a dual wheel socket. You do have an automatic gearbox, which is semi-auto as well, so you can do lock manual, so that's very new. So yeah, and different modes up here. At the moment it's set on normal. I'll just put it in park. So normal, you got small, mode, sand mode, and traction off. So yeah, really nice. And got part leather interior in front as well. So yeah, the car's here with us. We leave with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Also, please do like and subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss any single upload. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.